Are you doing these 5 things to achieve a better night's rest? Number 1 is to get on a regular schedule. The goal would be to get consistent with the same time going to bed and waking up in the morning. Number 2 is to try your best to avoid blue light exposure. The goal would be to try to avoid exposure to cell phones, computers, TVs at least 60 minutes before going to bed. Number 3 would be to try to clear your mind before you go to bed. This could include breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, light stretching, perhaps just reading a book. Number 4 would be to use herbal therapies. This could be a tea at night with chamomile, passion flower, or valerian root, or you could use essential oils like lavender to help relax and calm the body. Number 5 is temperature. It is proven that cooler temperatures help the body to ensure that you get a longer, more restful, deep sleep at night. Let us know in the comments if you have any additional tips to share on how you achieve better sleep.